Okay, I have a function here, an equation actually, with two terms that are exponential. And I'm going to show you a little trick on how to solve something like this. What you want to notice is that 4x and 2x are off by a factor of 2. This is really important. So what I could do is let y equal 6 to the 2x. Let me show you why that works. Because I'm going to square both sides. Y squared equals 6 to the 2x squared. And when you square in this format, all you do is multiply the exponents. So 2x times 2 is 4x. And now I've gotten rid of both of my hard exponential components and replaced them with power functions. So let's say I now have y squared minus y minus 20 equals 0. And I can easily solve this equation for y. So I can factor this. Let's see, negative 20 has factors of 4 and 5, which differ by 1. So y minus 5 because it's the largest, y plus 4 because negative 5 times 4 gives me negative 20, and negative 5y plus 4y gives me negative y, my middle term. So this is in factored form. I can set each factor equal to 0. Let me just scroll it. And I get y minus 5 equals 0 and y plus 4 equals 0. Solve each one. Y equals 5 and y equals negative 4. Almost done. Well, what is y? So y we had already determined with our original substitution equals 6 to the 2x. So I'm going to go back and I've got 6 to the 2x equals 5, or 6 to the 2x equals negative 4. Now in this case I can throw this one out because there's no way I can take 6 and raise it to any exponent and make it negative. You should know that as a basic property. So this will not work. No solution for this part. Now let's go to the other side. So I've got 6 to the 2x equals 5. I can solve this using logarithmic properties. No problem. Take the log, either base 10 or base e. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go base e. And so I have ln of 6 to the 2x equals ln of 5. And now I can use my property of logarithms and bring this out as a product. 2x times the ln, little extra 0, little n, equals ln of 5. Divide both sides by the ln of 6. Over ln of 6. And then, of course, divide both sides by 2. And make sure you plug it in your calculator correctly, because it doesn't matter if all your work is right if you plug it in the calculator in the wrong way. So let me pull my calculator up. Come on. There we go. Okay. So there we go. So now I've got this and my calculator. Where's my calculator? There it is. And I'm just going to throw that in the calculator properly. ln of 5 divided by something bigger than a single object, so therefore I have to put it in parentheses. 2 times the ln of 6, close parentheses, final answer. And if I'm going to rate, let's round this 4 decimal places. So that would be 0.4491. And that's our final answer. Hopefully you like this technique, or at least can follow it and use it when appropriate.